Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I will show you how you can adjust or change the slide transitions for your presentation on Google Slides. So let's get started. So guys, here in your presentation, you will have that option here at the top, transition, next to layout and theme. Or alternatively, if you can't see that option, simply enable it by clicking on view here and by selecting motion from that drop-down menu. So click on transition here, and you will be given access to that motion menu here to the right. So guys, you can either click on that, for example, on that arrow down icon here to expand this option. And here, instead of none, select the type of slide transitions, for example, dissolve or fade or slide from right or slide from left, flip, cube, gallery, and so on and so forth. So for demonstration purposes, I will go with a dissolve slide transition, just like that. And below that, you can adjust the transitions length or speed from slow, medium, or fast. And click on apply to all slides to apply to all slides, of course. And to watch it in the preview mode, simply click on play here. And that is going to show you how these transitions look in practice. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.